When the iPhone SE 2020 launched, it was known for its compact size and performance. In 2025, I decided to revisit this device to see how it holds up for modern use. Over the past year, I have tested its gaming, camera quality, daily usability, and more. Now, in 2025, is it still worth your attention? Let's dive into the pros and cons of using the iPhone SE 2020 in today's world. The first thing I noticed after switching from Android to this iPhone SE was the form factor. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly comfortable to hold. Here is a side-by-side comparison of it with a typical Android phone. This small size makes it perfect for one-hand use, but is it practical for modern needs? Let's break it down even more. The iPhone SE 2020 comes with a 4.7-inch Retina IPS LCD panel. It's bright enough for outdoor use, going up to 625 nits of peak brightness, and has solid touch response and viewing angles. However, the 16:9 aspect ratio and small size make it less enjoyable for watching videos or movies. In 2025, when bigger displays are the norm, consuming content on this device feels cramped. On the brighter side, the stereo speakers are loud and clear, and the haptic feedback is exceptional, better than most Android devices I have used. And yes, the home button is a nostalgic plus. Overall, the display is great for basic tasks like chatting and browsing, but not ideal for media consumption or gaming. The 12 megapixel rear camera and 7 megapixel front camera deliver good quality in well lit conditions. It supports 4K video recording with smooth autofocus and decent mic quality. Features like portrait mode and slow motion are nice additions. That said, low light performance is where this camera struggles. Photos and videos tend to get grainy in darker environments, which is common for older sensors. One key downside is the lack of 4K or 1080p 60 fps support on the front camera, a deal breaker for vloggers or those who prioritize video calls. The A13 Bionic chipset still holds its ground in 2025 for day-to-day tasks and light gaming. Apps open quickly and multitasking is smooth. For casual games like Subway Surfers, it's great, but for multiplayer games like PUBG or Call of Duty, the small screen makes it challenging to play. Plus, extended gaming or camera use causes noticeable heating issues, which is expected given the compact design. For everyday use, though, the performance is solid. This iPhone SE 2020 was currently running on iOS 18. This model is expected to receive its last software update in 2025, which is this year. While Apple's optimization ensures usability for years to come, keep in mind that after September 2025, you won't get new iOS features or security updates for this mobile. The 1821 mAh battery is sufficient for light users, offering around 4 to 5 hours of screen on time. It lasts a full day with basic tasks like calls, texting, and occasional camera use. Charging speeds are modest with 18 watts wired and 7.5 wireless options. While it works, the battery life may feel limited compared to modern devices with lighter capacities. Now I'm going to share the extra features that I really liked and some of the features missing on this iPhone SE 2020. Number 1, Touch ID. It is fast and reliable. Number 2, haptics. Truly premium. Number 3, lightweight design. Just 148 grams. Number 4, IP67 water and dust resistance. Number 5, stereo speakers. Number 6, dual SIM support. One physical and one eSIM. Coming to the missing things, number 1, there is no 5G support, which is must in 2025. Number 2, no headphone jack. It is compromised for some people, but for me it is needed because I record audios while recording the video in mobile phone, so 3.5 headphone jack is must for me. So should you buy it in 2025? Here is the final verdict. The iPhone SE 2020 is worth considering if number 1, 5G is not a priority for you, number 2, you are okay with small display, number 3, you want to experience iOS on a budget, number 4, decent battery life and good performance are enough, number 5, gaming and 4K front camera recording are not deal breakers. But remember, it's only supported for this year updates, so it's better suited for casual or secondary use. So finally, here is the conclusion. The iPhone SE 2020 is still a decent choice for specific users in 2025, especially as a refurbished or second-hand option. But as tech evolves, make sure it fits your needs before you buy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more honest tech reviews and remember, stay fit because health is wealth. Peace out.